Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. The governor of Florida is seeking to use remittances as a way of curbing illegal immigration in the United States. Ron DeSantis wants to require anyone transferring money abroad or remittances to show proof that they are not an undocumented immigrant.
Illegally, because they can work more menial tasks but make a lot more money in the U.S. than they can in like a third world country. So they'll come, make money, and then they send money back in remittances to the host, to their family, friends, wherever, to the home country. We are going to impose ID verification for foreign remittances. So you have to show, it's like an e-verify for remittances. The money transfer company has got to run you through to make sure that you're lawfully able to be in the country and to send money outside of our country.
Immigrants make remittances to family abroad, including Jamaicans, so this provision would significantly affect them if this went into law. Remittances sent from the U.S. make up a massive amount of the GDP of many countries. In 2023, Jamaicans sent $3.37 billion in remittances to Jamaica. Haiti gets about 22% of its total GDP from U.S.-based families, many of whom are in Florida. Tessa Petit, who heads the Florida Immigrant Coalition, says cracking down on remittances could further destabilize these places and drive up migration. If the state determines that undocumented immigrants have sent money abroad through a Florida-based company, the provision would charge the company that permitted a transaction 25% of the dollar amount transferred. Sygnus Credit Investments Limited today listed its perpetual cumulative redeemable preference share on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The offer, which was oversubscribed, raised over $5 billion Jamaican dollars, making it the largest public perpetual preference share raise on the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Well positioned to deepen its impact across key industries, including manufacturing, distribution, financial services, energy, construction, and transportation. This raise enables us to continue delivering flexible debt financing that drives growth, creates opportunities, and strengthens economies across the region.
This brings to 155 the total number of securities listed.
I'd love to see that to be 200 before the year ends. Do you think it's possible, Carl? I think it might be. So what we are going to do today, I know that the Minister of Finance had announced the fact that for the junior market, the ceiling has increased to $750 million. And I think that will give some fillip to the market so we can get going, Carl, introduce that there's more value there now. So I hope that we will see more junior market companies and more companies listed.
Cargo Handlers is reporting reduced profits of $273.68 million. This is down 15% below the $322 million earned in the previous year. Cargo Handlers generated revenues of $473.47 million, which was 8% of what the company earned for the same period last year. The company said the suspension of the use of ISO containers for LNG deliveries negatively affected the port's throughput quantities. It noted that there were fewer than anticipated activities involving home porting cruise vessels this year when compared with the prior year. However, Cargo Handlers revealed that steady inflows of cement and an increase in the tonnage of project cargo helped to improve revenues. The JSE index declined by 3,423 points, while the junior market declined by 11 points. Only 40 of the 116 stocks traded advanced. They were led by Margaritaville Turks US dollar share, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, and Sagicor Select Fund Financial. 49 declining shares were led by Consolidated Bakeries, Stanley Motor, Knutsford Express, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and KLE Group. 27 stocks traded firm. Now, banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $158.05. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.13. $198.58 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $165.67. And that's the business day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.